Now the Colorado Supreme Court removing former President Donald Trump from the state's primary ballot. The court says that Trump is ineligible to be president after his role in the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol. The ruling marks the first time in history that Section 3 of the 14th Amendment has been used to disqualify a presidential candidate. The provision forbids those who engage in insurrection from holding office and was used mainly after the Civil War to keep former Confederates out of government. Now, we spoke with Matthew Lebo, professor of political science at the University of Western Ontario, about the decision. Here's what he had to say.
Well, the Colorado team will make the argument, or that what Donald Trump did was part of an insurrection, that what we saw on January 6th of 2021 was an attempt to stop the peaceful transfer of power, and that the 14th Amendment is pretty clear about engaging in insurrection. Donald Trump's team will argue maybe that it doesn't apply to presidents, that this is undemocratic, that if Republican voters want Donald Trump to be their nominee, that they should be allowed to make that choice.
The ruling applies only to Colorado's March 5th Republican primary, but it could affect Trump's status in the state for the November general election.